Everybody, going live. All right, let's see. Where is the YouTube app? Monetization on. Ooh, Bitcoin. Today is what? I have no idea. 16th. All right. Market launch. Live trading. 4/16/24. I'll leave it like that. Let's go down here. And as soon as I get YouTube done, I'll do my TikTok. Will be up and running. We'll literally be on the treadmill, and then we'll get going with a few things. Recording date the 16th. Save changes. Let's open up the actual live, and then let's go over here. Let's see. Good evening, Tank Dog and D Nice. Joseph Tamburino. God bless you too, every one of you. Good evening, Jay Parker and Ryan and Johan. What's up, guys, ladies and gentlemen? What's up, Casey? Appreciate the thumbs up. I need to get over on TikTok here. 3, 2, 1, and let's wait for TikTok to flow. If they paid better, they would get better. All right, now let's see TikTok live. Good evening, Emiko Spezia. Good evening, Rocket and Jairus 12,000. Good evening, George. What's up, George? D-Rex Stokes. What's up, Glow? Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? What's up, Casey? Thanks for being on both. What's up, It's Aang. If I can get a few of you from YouTube to head over to TikTok, I would appreciate that. Yay, we're live on both. There we go. Now, let's get things fired up and running. Well, walking at a slow pace. All right. Good evening, Maxwell. Good evening, Ryan. Thanks for being on both. Good evening, Chakal, 2501. What's up, Little Joe? If everybody from YouTube can head over to TikTok, I would appreciate it. How nice. Beautiful day today. Beautiful trading day today. Got to talk to Keith. Of course, another day above ground and with my loving wife. Fantastic day. Doesn't get any better than that. All right. What you're looking at, everybody. Everybody wants to be a cat. United States of America, as I always begin with, has blessed us with a registered trademark, not just for the name, the safety trade system, but for all the indicators. So for everything you see here and here, this is all trademarked. What does that mean? Well, that means legally I will fucking sue the fuck out of you if you try to use anything. It's true, though. It really is. And you have to sign an NDA to use the system. We've only had to actually sue one person, a lady in Chicago. Everybody else, we were able to talk back off the cliff. There's been 2 or 3 other people. Matter of fact, there's a couple of guys right now that seem to be acting up. But we just give a call out, make sure they understand the consequences of what they're doing. And they always, even if you think you're sneaking by and you get away with it for a week or a month or 2, it always comes back to Bree and I. I guarantee you will find out if you're trying to do something wrong. But most of the time we rectify it nicely. Okay? So please type yes if you understand that we can and will sue you if you violate the NDA or the trademark. I just need 1 or 2 yeses and I'll pull this down. It's illegal or should be. I can imagine trying to live on minimum wage. Get them signals. All right, guys. Thank you, Hayden. Thank you, Kenny J, Mario, Casey, Little Joe. Blessings to you, Riddell. Riddell. Good evening, Azar. Thank you for being on both. Good evening, LT. Live again. I know I'm trying to get back in the groove again. I've been a little lazy. What's up, Ryan Marcus? Azar, I'm going to make you something over here. Arise, Azar. You are now added as a moderator. You have the mighty sword of a screwdriver, whatever this is. Hold on. There we go. Azor the Mighty. You are now a moderator on YouTube. Thank you, sir. Good evening. LT, what's up, buddy? What's up, Johan? Blessings to all of you over in Riddell. What's up, George? Thank you for saying yes. Get the system. I agree with him. Get the signals. I definitely agree with that. Kevin, brief, Ferris to you. Thank you. Ferris to you also, sir. Or ma'am. Sorry, I don't know if you're a fellow or not. I think you're a guy. JTF 6. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Michael, a.k.a. Where you been, Michael? What's up, Michael? A.k.a. Big Pivot. 30 watching. Yeah, pretty good. For the evening, you know. All right. Here we go. Prayers and blessings to each and every one of you. Let's get this out of here. Let's get to calling out some signals. Boy, have I got news. I've been working on the rules for the Hydra. Woo! Guys are going to love that shit. All right. I was wondering why, by the way, I'm going to show you my last whatever trades there are, all the trades I did in the last little over a month, I think. Here they are. What I was laughing about was I had it set wrong. I didn't do time. It was the other way. I didn't think I had 2 wrong trades in a row, and I didn't. I have a couple missed trades in here. It started out like $2,700. This account now is $6,400 profit. These are all the trades I made. The sell was the kick-ass one on US 30. And then some buys, some smaller ones. And there you go. So anyhow, these are the times. So this is the days that they were actually completed the trade. 4 15s, 4 12s, 4 11s, 4 10s. You can see when I have a little time to trade and when I don't. Usually I don't anymore these days. It's real hard to trade. But anywho, so those are them. Let me grab this and move that out of there. And this is our little scanner. We'll come back to this in a second. Ooh, powerful shit right there. I think we've seen the switch. Play any 15-second, 30-second buy stop to SPX and US 30 1-minute blue lines, especially SPX 1-minute blue line. I want to see that in a second. We'll get back to that. What's up, Peter P? What's up, Tanny B? Peter P and Tanny B. And no, I don't think they're dating either. I'm just teasing. They're not. I have no idea who they are. That gold call earlier today was fire, was it not? Woo! And then we had some kind of call recently. We'll look at that too. I'll go over all the calls later. All right. Oh, shit. Hold on. Please understand that I am not a financial advisor, nor is anybody in this group or anyone associated with this channel or sessions or live or YouTube or anything else. Please type a 7 if you understand that I am only a social media influencer. Please do not listen to a word I'm saying. You guys are all adults. Make your own adult decisions. So a 7 or a yes, understanding that I am not, right here, I am not a financial advisor. Now we can get to trading. All right. Let's call out. We'll start with, why not? Gold's right here anyways. Let's start with gold. Siete. Thank you, everybody. LT and everybody. Thank you, Little Joe and Hayden and Tommy Gunn. Kenny J. Thank you all. All right, here we go. It's 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line, gold. 1 minute, 5 minutes, sell stop to the towards the 5 minute blue line, gold. I'll explain why this is occurring. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, gold. That's all you need to know. Now, why on earth am I calling for a sell? Because all day long they brought up gold and now they're dropping it. As simple as that. Same for our indices. We'll get to that in a second. Well, hold on. Let's look at it. Hold on. Let's go to the indices real quick. So this is why. So the 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, ricochet, NAS. Yeah, those are the ones. Now, after that, they're forming, I'm sure these are 5 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop, NAS. 30 minute sell stop, NAS. Daily buy stop, daily, weekly buy stop, NAS, which means it has to drop down a little further before it comes up. Those are all SPX, sorry. It is still a daily buy stop, NAS, daily, weekly buy stop, NAS. And then we're on a daily, weekly. Hold on. I thought these were different. No? Daily, weekly buy stop, US 30. So all short-term sells, long-term buys, all three indices. I do believe I called that out over there, and I do believe you'll see it. Good evening, Robel. What's up, buddy? All right, getting back to it. So that's gold, US 30, NAS, and SPX. EUR, USD, baby. Opposite of this pair is UTSHEF. EUR, USD, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. It's already did it. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop towards the 5 minute blue line, US 30. I'm sorry, EUR, USD. Holy shit. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. That's come up a little bit higher for me to take this trade. So let EUR/USD rise up towards its 4 hour little lines right here, hook and come back down. That's all you needed. Well, hold on. EUR/USD is a weekly, monthly sell stop to the monthly blue line. I've been calling out that fucking trade for probably a year now. They move very slowly. GBP/JPY, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. GBP/JPY, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop towards the 5 minute blue line, forming a 15, just like it did yesterday. Here it comes again. 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. I'd probably wait for that buy stop on GBP/JPY. I refuse to call out Bitcoin because I called it out correctly over a year ago. You didn't listen to me when I told you to buy it at 26,000 last year. I'm not calling anything. It went up past its middle. I told you to go past 70, and it did. And there you go. I'm good with Bitcoin. What I will call out, though, is Ethereum. Play any buy stop from 15 second through daily that you see until Ethereum gets over 4,500. I will call out XRP all the way because it needs to also still do what it's got to do. 1 minute. Sell stop, ricochet to the blue line, XRP. Forming a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. It's going to arch up here, come into the loop, and come back down. Forming a daily, weekly buy, XRP. Amazon. Let's see how Amazon today. I love Amazon. Been recommending XRP since 31 cents. Been recommending Amazon since $91, $92, something shit like that. A share. What did Amazon do though? Let's see. Amazon. Oh, good 5-minute. Okay, cool. It hit it today. Called that. 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop towards the 15-minute blue line, Amazon. If you don't know what the blue line is, buy the damn system. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, Amazon. U.S. oil. 1 minute. Too late. 5 minutes. Too late. Well, okay. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. And 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop towards the 30-minute blue line. Forming a 4 hour daily buy stop. Oil. US and UK. And that's it. And we're done. Nice. Fucking nice was that. Talking about kicking ass on this thing. Wow. All right. Does anybody have any other symbols they'd like me to check? Please speak up now. Thank you, Peter, for being on both, Jack Wagon. If anybody want me to look up any symbols, please ask. You can be new, just play, please, whatever. Ask away. I love that idea. Great thinking. I'll wait. No one has any other ones they want me to check. I will check any and all symbols that I can plot on TradingView, which seemingly is 1,000. So I'm actually happy about that. All right. If no one has any other symbols, then let's take an in-depth look at our scanner here. And I'll explain it again like I did last night. Look. Your buy stops. Yay. US 30 to the 30-second blue line has had to made your money. It's now blue. It's now green. SPX is now 30-second buy. They're all buy. 15-second play. Any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buys on US 30 NAS and SPX to the SPX blue line. And because yesterday didn't go to the 3-minute, we need to check this. So in other words, this red arrow is going to turn green. I don't know when, but I do believe before 9:30 or 10:30, before the 4-hour candle at 10 o'clock. So around 10:15, 10:30 is the latest they'll do it, if they're going to do it, which they already are. Y'all would have made money if you listened to me. These were the call outs last night and today. Look for 15-second blue lines to be hit on a buy stop, then 30-second blue line, then 1 minute blue lines. There you go. There you go, my friends. There you go. Wow. Let me go check that SPX real quick. Let's see. SPX. Oh, hell no. We don't want no hourly. Let's see. The most we're going to have is 50. So 1 minute, 30-second, 15-second. Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous right there. That's gorgeous right there. Who called the trades? Yep. Who called these trades? There it is. And it's already towards it anyways, close enough. But I do believe you're going to see it shoot up and over this. That's where you're going to see it go. Now, since we had, was it US 30 that wasn't hit or was it NAS? Oh, fuck. It had to be US 30. Yeah. Awesome. Well, that's how you do it. Next up, SPX to the 1 minute. We can sit here and watch it if you want. until I get going on the next subject because I don't usually. What's up, Dr. Matt? All right. We just called out a whole bunch of symbols. I think a dozen of them or more. All right. So today Keith and I talked about completing this scanner after we get the Hydra up and running for you guys. We're going to make a signal. Sorry, not a scanner. We're going to make signals off of what I just taught you guys earlier today. You should really watch that video yesterday and then today. About 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. You really should watch that. It's amazing. So we're going to make a signal service for you guys. We're just going to give it to you free. Be calling these trades out. These are always happening. Let me tell you why. This is how easy trading is. Everyone overcomplicates every damn thing. All day long. Let me show you something. Let me be clear on what you're looking at. All day long. 15-minute. Watch. They dropped it, right? Drop, 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 drop all day long on SPX. Dropped it all day long on NAS. Dropped it all day long on US 30. Then overnight, unless it's a hard fall, and in this case it was a little bit hard yesterday, but I have a feeling tonight they're going to lighten up. They'll switch it. So then they bring it up overnight. When they bring it up overnight, we know when they're going to switch it because the 15 seconds flip, the 30 seconds flip, and then eventually you'll see the 1 minute. Maybe even the 3 minutes. Maybe even the 5 minutes. I'm thinking 3 minutes tonight. But if we have the fall of the 5, the 10 and 15 will fall also. And then they're going to whip it back down again and do the same routine again. That's all they do. So just remember that. If they bring it up all day, overnight they bring it down. How do you know when they bring it down? Look at your scanner. The H&H scanner is included for free, a free gift from Bree and I. Costs everybody else $500 a month. Costs you guys $0 when you spend $50 a month for your scanner anyways. And don't get me started on how fantastic the scanner is. Scanner's next level everything. But if you don't even want to use the scanner that way, just use it for this damn cool fucking ass thing. You also get it also on the snipers on your charts. All right, so we went over that. We haven't gone over the rules lately. Remember, unlearn everything you thought you knew about training to relearn how to trade using the system. It takes on average, I would say 2 to 6 months to learn it. Some people take a year. Some people learn it in a day. Tommy's, I think she said I could say her name. One of our members is like a little over a year now, still trying to catch on. And then there's Tommy and Heather type people who caught on for one training session and they're already making money. So it all depends. In order to master it, though, you guys need to teach it. If anyone's struggling with the system, start teaching it. Even if you teach them wrong, you'll realize that you're wrong. Just teach it. You don't need to buy another system. Damn, just fucking open up your damn TradingView charts and teach somebody the system. Anybody that sit there and listen to you, teach them. Husbands, wives, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles, neighbors. Pull neighbors. Hey, you don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It seems kind of crazy, but here. Well, that was a perfect sell. Who is this? This is Naz. Yeah, that was a perfect sell right here. I'm going to give you guys another hint. Every time, look at this. Here's another little cheat sheet. Every time you see price come down, come back over and go in between here with a sell stop with the sniper. Every time you see this setup, take a picture of it. You don't need any other verifications. Every time you see this setup, it will work. Simple as that. There is no option. It will go down when you see this exact setup. Take a picture of that. Post it up where you're trading. So every time you see where price comes below, it comes down. It comes right in between price action, our BAC and price action. It comes right between the blue line right in here like it did. And there's a sell stop right here with the sniper entry. Every time you see this, trade it. It will go down. Oh, there's no such thing. Yeah, there is. Fuck out of here. That's old school thinking. Oh, you can't be so certain. Dude, my brother was making me watch this kid, 24-year-old kid, saying he makes $750,000 trades. But unfortunately, or fortunately, I do believe his mom and dad were funneling money to him because he was making $10,000 a month from his dad. I'm like, what the fuck? So anywho, yeah, he's not making any kind of money trading. He was trying to say stuff. He was just using these little fluff words, the news, interest rate. I was so pitiful. I made him turn it off. I was like, this is fucking retarded, Mike. You know, if he's making $750,000 a month or $750,000 a trade consistently, sure, that'd be awesome. But there's no fucking way he is. And I'll apologize to him if he pulls out every one of his trades and they're all profitable like that. Actually, I think he said he lost money for 3 months in a row or something. I don't know what he's doing. But I was embarrassed. I usually don't ever look at anyone else's. Everyone has their thing. Let them do their thing. But Mike forced me to watch that for a few minutes. And I was like, what the fuck bullshit is this? Oh, my God. And then he has just like hundreds of thousands of subscribers and all this shit. Like, what? Teaching news and support and resistance. And if the interest rates are good. And oh my God. One day soon, I hope everyone will switch over to the actual correct way of trading, to get into the safety trade and learn the right way of trading, I hope. Watch all the videos and profit. Listener, what's up, JTF6? I missed you, my brother. Where you been? I think Kim's up here. Did I miss Kim? What's up, Kimberly Harrington? Good evening. I'm pretty sure Kimberly is happy with the gold trades today. That's what it needs to be. I know they say, oh, fast food isn't meant for, oh, sorry. Should we raise it or give out universal basic income? All right. I don't even know where we were. We are stand ambassadors, blah, blah, blah. We're extremely successful at what we do. Bree and I have 3 stores. We do extremely well. Thank God and God alone for that. We do have 3 optional different add-ons. Optional is the key word here. You don't have to have it. The basic system works perfectly and flawlessly. If you want to get to scanner rooms, $50 a month gets you 2 rooms and the H&H scanner. If you want to get to sniper, it's $150 a month. And personally, I would get the fucking sniper. And then the signal tiers range from anywhere from $150 to $350. And we do have an upgrade to the signals. The signals at the beginning of the year are 55-0. 55 wins with 0 losses. Holy fucking shit. 55-0. I think we're actually at 60 or so, but I lost count, so whatever. I'm trying to be live trading from 8 a.m. to 9:35 a.m. At least that. YouTube channel is the Safety Trade. If you want to learn about it or get the system, go to safetytrade.com. We do have an affiliate program. If you are doing great, we do expect you to support us by at least getting the signals and the sniper. But if you're not doing good, then don't do it. For the love of God. I'm going to point this out too. Look at this shit. Doesn't this look vaguely familiar? Doop, 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 doop. Hint, 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 hint. People are like, I still don't know if it's going to, whatever. Trust me on that one. It's a big, huge whatever. And look. Hint, hint. Same thing. Same thing. Oop, there it is again. Go to SPX, same formation, same formation, same formation again. Usually it goes in 3s, 2s and 3s, sometimes 4s though, so play it. All right, anyone on TikTok or YouTube have any positive things they want to say or negative things you want to say? Now is your chance to speak up. You can call in. I've offered it to haters and doubters alike open mic for the last 2 years. Hundreds and thousands of you have come through, and not one hater or doubter has ever called in. So I can only do what I can do and offer what I can offer. If you love the system, I do take calls in, but I don't have my little speaker thing working, but we can probably still do it. Feel free. Look at that SPX one. Look at that SPX. Perfection. Look. There's NAS. Perfection. Whenever you see this formation, they look like the same, but that's SPX, 15-minute, and here's NAS. They look the same. They're not. They're different symbols, but this exact same formation works on any symbol. When you see it cross down, come over, come back in between, and form this exact little blue thing up, green, red, it'll go down every fucking time. The only time it won't is if God doesn't want it to, but I'm telling you, just take a picture and only trade it. You can see future with this system. Let me show you again that. Watch, just doop. You can get it all rid of it right there. Everyone knows what this is right here. This is a sell stop. Red, 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 green. This is a sniper sell stop with the blue line high. Boop, 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 and down she goes. Simple as that. I think people have a tendency to overthink things. Yay, yet another live. What's up, Joanna Webley? Buy the damn system. I agree with Kimberly Harrington. Thanks, Kim. Kim's kicking ass with this, with the thing, by the way. Can you see? Looking now. All right, let me see over here. All right. So does anybody have any questions? Because I'm going to go ahead and cut it on TikTok and head over to YouTube. Is anybody on TikTok? What's up, D-Man? Thank you for being on both. What's up, Damien? All right, call-outs were made. I'm going to go ahead and end TikTok. Thank you guys for being there. Appreciate it. God bless you all on TikTok. Heading over to YouTube, I can just speak freer over there. That's all. I don't have to worry about getting in any kind of trouble. All right. YouTubers, any questions? Any questions or concerns? Yeah, perfect. All right, guys. If there's no questions or concerns or comments, BF, what people does your system produce for you? Well, what P&L does your system produce for you? Profit and loss? System produced for me, like I have several accounts. Well, I mean, I could show you one of the smaller accounts right here. This is the current month, or a little extra actually on this one. This is, let me get it over here for you. And then we have multiple accounts, especially Nadex. Yeah, I've never had a losing. Well, I don't say that. I let the members say that. I've had losing trades before, But profit and loss it's psychotically good. I mean, just this small account was at 2,700, and now we're at 6,400. So I don't know. I mean, some accounts big trades, some accounts little trades. Everybody has their own profit and loss, though. I mean, I don't know what you. I mean, if I told you how much we earned last year off of trading in the stores, you guys wouldn't believe me. So I'll just leave it at that. It's like winning the lottery every year. That's how much money we make. The same thing. What loss? How much scanner? How much signals? What's loss? What's up to? So yeah. Well, everyone, why don't you tell them on YouTube? Anyone that's been watching me live trade for the last 2 years and year and a half, what is my daily win rate? Not the signal win rate, not the call out win rate. I miss a trade here or there. Have I ever had a losing date? Or you might as well say, do I have 100% win rate daily or not? I'll word it like that. And I'll give you a hint. It's the latter one. Well, I miss. I don't miss for the day, though. How much scanner? How much signals? Scanner is $50 a month for 2 rooms. The signals vary. The signals vary from $150 a month for 5 signals a month, $250 a month for 10, $350 a month for unlimited. Correct, Kimberly Harrington. Correct, Amlakar. Correct, Johan. See, I used to call in favors, say, hey, look, I have my back, you have your back, but if you don't, God bless you too. So, yeah, I mean, it's, just for every year, not a losing day with your lives and YouTube's group. Yes, we have 1,500 videos of me trading live, and I've never had a losing day on any of those videos. Watch for every 100% daily win right now. I'm not a paid promo bot. I don't even know what a paid promo bot is, Dr. Matt, but no, Dr. Matt is actually a doctor. I never say, like, we always can't say 100. Well, I say D-Man's correct, but no, it actually is 100 on my daily. Like, even for instance, here, you'll see losses or whatever, right? But then for the day on that day, some of them are closed the next day, it's still a win. So, win, loss, whatever day that was, 4. And on the same day, I made $454, $17, $18. Win, loss. And then that same day, same thing. 4, I made 200, 500, 37, and so on. And then the same thing over and over again. Win. So yeah, even this account right here is a daily win every time. So just the way it goes. System's pretty damn good. Does the scanner give the same as signals? No, actually, Shay, it does not. Very good question. Does the scanner? Let's go over to the scanner. Here it is. Does this scanner? I'll open it wide up so you guys can see it. Look how fucking cool this is. Fucking amazing. This gives signals trading to the blue line. It gives extremely accurate signals. BS1, for instance, that's blue line verified with a higher time frame. This is trading 2 time frames. But no, it is not the signals that are given out. The signals that are given out is 100% win rate. This probably has, if you do the SS1s and BS1s, somewhere in the neighborhood of 80 to 90% win rate, which is psychotically good. Cute little shit, not even hardly anything moving. But no, it's not the same signals. Now, when the signal service comes out for this will be the same signal. Yes, it will. I know, Coach, I just gave 1%. Yep, I agree with you, D-Man. You're right. Bradley is, yes, if he's right. Yeah, and everyone fucks everything up. I fuck it up. The system itself is flawless. I'm telling you that right now. Everyone, if I tell you that trade right here that I said was 100% win rate or 99.9%, right here, whenever you see this, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, hourly, 4 hour, daily, it wins. Oops, damn, hit the wrong thing. Every time. The first time it goes under, hooks back up in it. This right here, it'll win. They never repaint. Nothing ever changes. It always wins. Simple as that. Now, we do have a new code coming out for the signal service. Hydra, I went over that hard the last couple of days. I'm going to skip it tonight unless somebody wants me to do it. I got Brit tomorrow at 3:30. How much would new signals be? Shay, signal service is always the same. I'm never going to change the prices on that unless somehow, I don't know, whatever. What you're looking at right here, and there's a call out right here. It's possible sell stop today, so you have to wait for this to develop. But at any rate, tier 1 signals, $150 a month for 5 signals. Tier 2, $250 a month for 10 signals. Tier 3 is unlimited. And that's kind of important, not really, but those of you who like to have things on hand, the new code, the Hydra code that's being updated, for instance, we can flip over to gold. Gosh darn it, flip over to gold, go over to the weekly, and go over to the monthly. This Hydra right here will be in the palm of your hand, so you can put it on your own computer for $350 a month. You'll have this. What you see on my chart right here will be on your chart. Go over to here. And by the way, Hydra, the current code has never missed, ever. So it's currently like 55-0, 55 wins, 0 losses. The signals will be different. No, same price. No, we're giving you this upgrade for free, Shay. Thank you, Tua. Bad system. I agree with you, Tua. Thank you for saying that. So no, Shay, this stays the same. All this is being added for nothing. I've been spending months getting this. This is called Hydra because it works on all time frames and on all higher time frames other than higher than the 1 hour trade. So the 1 hour, 4 hours it works, 4 hour weekly, 4 hour daily it works, and weekly daily it works. So on all symbols, all 12 of these symbols that were tested, 100% win rate. Matter of fact, I was just going to tell you. So this update, this upgrade right here that you guys are seeing, going back to 1970 on gold, usually 2006, 2008. As far as I can take it on the other symbols, it's been 100% accurate. It only does buys, but this is on your chart. So no, this is all included. All included. This is all free of charge to you guys. If you're paying for $350 a month, you're going to get this on your own charts. Simple as that. And it's so fucking accurate. I can click anywhere. Pop, 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 pop. Weekly, daily, weekly, daily. I got to go over to daily over here, and you got to go weekly over here. Don't worry, there'll be rules on how to implement this. Look at here they are. There's your buy stops. Boop, boop, popped right in the center of them. I mean, this shit is golden. Now, sells are a little more challenging. They have an inverse relationship to the indicator. So I've been working my ass off. Matter of fact, out of this whole thing that's going on, you guys might get the Holy Grail trade before you get the sells. Isn't that crazy? The signals are market order. Part of them, Brian Claus, are market order. For instance, if this is a weekly, daily, and it falls directly on a buy stop, then yes, it's a market order. That'll be in your rules. If it's a weekly, daily, and it doesn't fall directly on any of them. So if any of them fall directly on a 1 hour, 4 hour, for instance, if it falls directly on the buy stop, you take it. If it doesn't fall directly on the buy stop, you have to wait until it forms the buy stop. So that's all. So I don't know, I've been clicking a whole bunch of these just for you guys to see. But yes, there'll be a version with market order, correct? So for instance, this one isn't so we'd have to go over here and make this our 4 hour, and then I'm sure we're going to see a buy stop right here on a 4 hour. It'll be all in the rules. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't go back that far. See, they give you these crowns, and they give you dinosaurs. When you can't go back any further, it's so weird. They like stop you. See right here? This cute little dinosaur, as far back as it goes. Our first buy on gold would have been right here, but I can't get to it. So it is what it is. Sorry. It doesn't go that far back. Oh, well. But it was a correct buy stop at $36 an ounce. Don't you wish you'd left that running? Gotcha. Makes sense. Yep. Signals are points of analysis leading to a trade. We have rules, but it's coming already with oil. Correct. The sell stop on oil already is market order, period. It'll work. It doesn't call it often, but it'll be 100% correct. These weekly, dailies, daily, 4 hours, 4 hour, 1 hours. If it falls on the buy stop, you'll be able to take the trade market order. If it doesn't fall on the buy stop, you can't. Right? It makes sense. You offer any trials for us people to build up money and get the Hydra? No, but I give you out free signals every day where you can steal them and make your money. Okay. All right. Well, my friends, God bless you all with a great evening. Hope you all have a fun night. Oh, really? There's only one watching right now? That is weird. What's going on? I'm confused. Why does it say how many are you guys still on the YouTube? Is there more than 2 of you on YouTube? God bless you, Bradley. God bless each and every one of you. Wasn't that fucking weird? Why is it saying, am I on the wrong thing? What the fuck? Changed my life and I recommend. Thank you, Peter P, for speaking up without being asked. Well, I guess Peter and Bradley are there. And George is here. Well, why is it showing 1? I guess YouTube's fucking around. Oh, well. All right, guys. Thank you for being here. Tua, Georgie, George, Bradley, Tank Dog, Peter P, everybody, Brian Claus. Thank you all for being here. Y'all have a blessed night. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. You're welcome, Shay.